Peterson, Science and Pseudo-Science. Peterson and his admirers like to portray him as an uncompromising defender of rationality and the scientific worldview against postmodernist irrationalism. However, Peterson has shown a tendency towards advocating pseudo-scientific ideas. In one of his lectures, Peterson discusses ancient fine art from China and the Aboriginals of Australia. He notes that there is ancient art around the world that repeatedly depicts intertwined snake-like figures and that they are used as healing symbols. Peterson states that he believes these ancient paintings represent the double helix of DNA. According to the established history of science, the double helix nature of DNA was not revealed until 1953 by Watson, Crick, Franklin, and Wilkins. The discovery required, among other things, X-rays. When asked about the matter, Peterson explains that we do not know the limits of observation, especially in certain circumstances. He says he believes that humans have always had hints about DNA. Peterson then cites the book The Cosmic Serpent by Jeremy Narby as his source. In the book, Narby contends that already thousands of years ago, Peruvian shamans using hallucinogenic drugs achieved information about DNA that was then encoded into the brains of their offspring as innate information.